Welcome to the first VBKit Reveal of 2021. This is January's reveal of the With Love VBKit. It is the Valentine's kit. I always like to do the Valentine's kit in January because it gives you some time to get those planners ready for February. This little bundle is packed up of goodies for you. There's actually one product in here. It's this one right here with the bow. It's a notepad. That is not included with the kit. I messed up. It was on my desk and I wasn't even thinking and I put it in the envelope. That will be available for the Valentine release, which is coming up on the 27th. So keep an eye for that notepad if you want it. I always wanted to design an enamel pen that was like my cute heart sunglasses that I have here. So I was inspired by my heart sunglasses. I made them a little bit more retro, kind of those like cat eye sunglasses that you see back in the 60s, I believe. But these are super cute, rose gold hardware, a really nice pretty pink color. Can't wait to see how you guys... actually, I should say where you guys put this, and I'll show you where I'm going to put mine later in the video. Let's talk washi tape. 2 washi tapes, of course, you'll find in this kit. One is a rose gold bow pattern, and with just simple black background. I really like how this one came out. I really like how the rose gold just pops against that black. And the next one, I have to have some sort of abstract. So the next one is, I think I like to call this more of an abstract messy lines. The lines are in rose gold and the background is like that really cool like abstract effect. So those are your 2 washi tapes for this kit. I've been changing things up with these transparent page flags. So last month they were in like rectangle boxes. This month they're in circles. So 3 different size circles, gray, pink, and like a berry burgundy color. I know it's gonna, I didn't want to keep putting flags, flags. So I have to change it up for you guys. So this month will be circles. I can't remember what next month is. All the months kind of get jumbled in my head since I have to design them way in advance. It's so crazy because right now my head is thinking about April and May kit. Oh, remember, I get emails about this all the time. Remember to take out the film on the back of the card before you email me. Okay, oh, these are favorites. These are the transparent stickers and cards. I read your comments last month that you want transparent cards. You don't want the paper ones. You want transparent cards. So I'm going to leave it to the transparent cards. I like them too. These ones are foiled. I can't remember if I've done foiled for the transparent cards, but these ones are with rose gold, of course. So you get 4 different ones. I love the designs for this month. Really, really fun. And then these are the transparent stickers. Same ones from previous months. However, there is one new sheet. Oh, and then this one is my favorite. I already used it from the samples, so I had to show you again. But there is one sheet in here that I redesigned. I made it more functional. I thought it'd be nice to have, I think it's this one right here. So good for like checklists. I think that would be great for you guys to use in your layouts. This month's sticker book turned out super pretty. I'm happy how it turned out. However, I do want to point out something. It's a printing. I think it's the coloring on some of the stickers. So here's the pen, which kind of gave it away. I should have done the pen first, but whatever. It's like a charcoal color, but it's supposed to be like a burgundy color. So some elements here, like this heart is supposed to be like a burgundy some of the backgrounds, like this black supposed to be a burgundy, I think. I can't remember. Oh, and then like for instance, this is supposed to be like a deep berry burgundy, like this color. So I'm not sure if it was my manufacturer's like printing or what I had on the computer, like my file just didn't print right. I don't know, but either way, I'm still kind of happy about it. Like this one right here, this is supposed to be like a deep berry. That would have been pretty, but it's still pretty. It still matches. I'm still happy about it. Hope you guys are too. You know, these things happen and you just have to go with it. Have to go with it. I'm fortunate though that it still matches. Thank goodness, or else that would drive me bonkers. I didn't notice this until we got all of the sticker books. And sometimes I don't even get to see the products until they arrive at the studio. I get pictures of it, you know, but not all the time. And sometimes we don't catch these things before mass production. I love these, and I think this is gonna be a favorite. Ugh, I thought I was getting the hiccups, but these are 3 heart resin paper clips. I did not make these. If I did, they would take me forever. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then you'll have to go onto my villabeauTIFFul Instagram where I make resin coasters. Okay, but that's for a different time. Let's focus. Look at that. Isn't that cute? They're tiny little heart paper clips, rose gold metal. I couldn't decide on 2, so I just made 3. Oh, so here's one thing I want to point out. While I was testing out samples, I noticed that some of the hearts weren't properly glued on, so they might be a little loose. Super easy to fix. All you do is take a little bit of glue, and the one that I like to use is the E6000. This is super strong. It will hold it like crazy, so you just need a little bit. It's so hard to do things with long nails, but I love the shape of these nails. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked again. But all you need to do is put a little bit of glue on the paper clip, and then you kind of line it up. There's a little like indent groove where you just place the paper clip on top, and then just press it together on the foam. What I think I did, I put something heavy on top and laid I think it was a book on top overnight, and it was good to go the next day. So that's a quick, easy fix if your resin hearts are a little bit loose or not on the paper clip properly. So when you do get these, just give them a quick little tug. See if they're loose. You can also use like super glue. But I probably wouldn't use like regular Elmer's glue. It's time for a new folder. This time it's in a B6 size. I haven't done this size, and you'll see why. I designed a this type of folder for this size. You probably already know if you have one. But I'll show you. I really like these trifold folders. This one has rose gold hearts for the cover. I just want to show you how to stuff it a little bit. I wasn't completely prepared. So I just grabbed stuff from my desk. Just, to give you an example of the things that you can include with this folder. I love doing these reveal videos because I can show you the products, but I also can, tell you a little background story about the products, maybe what I'm designing next. So yeah, I told you earlier, my head is designing for, April and May. Like, gosh, can you believe that? Like April and May. So starting into summer, and it's crazy. So far I'm loving what I have designed and can't wait to show you. Just in case you're wondering, the sticker book does not fit in the folder. I don't know. I thought it would. I was hoping it would, but no, this one doesn't. So the B6 sticker book does not fit in B6 folder. Oh, here is that notepad I was telling you about in the beginning. I just have so much stuff in my desk. I didn't think this was in the kit. For some reason, I thought it was because of the bow. I don't know. I was thinking. Okay, so the reason why I designed the folder in a B6 size is because, ta-da! You can place it inside your VB clutch. We do have some imperfect ones in the shop right now. If you're looking for more colors, there will be one in the spring, one in the summer, and I'm hoping one in time for Cyber Monday. Yes! So 3 different colors. You guys love this clutch. I had to make a few minor improvements on it, a little bit of changes, but yeah, we're gonna bring them back. Yay, it's time for the pen. This is the With Love VBKit pen. It does look a little bit brighter here because of the lighting, the natural daylight, but it is like a deeper berry burgundy, similar to the top part of the sticker book. It is glossy paint, rose gold hardware, and a mix of rose, amethyst, and iridescent crystals with little rose gold hearts. I know you guys are going to love the rose gold hearts. Super pretty in person. Pictures are not going to do this justice. And I'm just pointing out that it is a little bit deeper in person, so it's not as bright as you see it here. I hope this will be a favorite VB pen of yours. So many of you have been asking for more keychains. So this was a last minute product, which is why it doesn't have the fancy packaging. I wanted to include this because I really like the bow, and it will match with a product that you'll be getting in your kit as well. So I'm gonna call this an add-on pouch, and you'll see why in a few. It is faux leather. It's that soft material that the sticker planner and the pen cases are made out of. But see, this is why I wanted to add on this product. It looks adorable when you clip it to the add-on pouch. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. I really, really do. I love the black and the white bow against the pink. So you're like wondering, what is an add-on pouch? I always think about these things. Remember your, this was in the Advent kit, your tote bag. And look at this. You're going to clip it onto the little hook inside your tote bag. So you can put all your personal belongings inside this add-on pouch. That was a sample one. I always get samples before doing mass producing because you never know. But sometimes even the mass products, go haywire. But anyways, sticker book fits nicely in there. I'm gonna stuff this a little bit so you can see how much you can put in there. So just some basic planner supplies, but also your makeup stuff. I'm gonna be using this like as a makeup bag for me to go inside my tote bag. But yeah, lotion, hand sanitizer, and planner stuff all in this little add-on pouch that you'll be adding to your VB utility tote. I love seeing all your pictures that you guys tag how much you just stuff this tote. Oh, and remember that enamel pin? Yes. We're gonna add it to the tote as well. Oh, it's gonna be, see, I really think things through and see how past products can work with new products. So you never know what will come up next. Is there an accessory that you would like to see go with the VB utility tote? Let me know, leave a comment, and I'll see if I can make that happen. For those of you who ordered the paper pack with your basic kit, unfortunately the papers did not arrive on time for the reveal, but this is just a glimpse of what you'll be getting. So that wraps it up. I hope you guys love this kit. Don't forget this notepad is not included. Just a few things. The kit card did not come in time, so no kit card is included, but you will find it in the digitals. I did put it in the digitals folder so you can print it out yourself. Let me see if there's anything else. Oh, if you missed out, there might be extras, but very, very few since I did add more quantities to this kit for pre-orders. I will see you guys next time, but let's talk about next month's kit. It is currently on pre-order. It is going fast. It is a collaboration with Little Magic Prints, pretty pastels, very spring-like. So if this is your thing, make sure you pre-order. Bye!